What is the meaning of income? When try dissect income, then we will find in and come. Come means which is coming towards self. In means within, inside. What is coming inside? From where it is coming inside? When try to observe our structure, head and spine and head to toes, this body, this is called medulla area, center of Kutas consciousness. Here something enters. This is coming inside. And what is that coming inside? This is called creative principle. What is the creative principle? This is called creative elements as well as creative power, creative knowledge. What is the creative elements? Creative elements is so many elements: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, magnesium, carbon. So many things are there. When they join together, we get protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, hormones, enzymes, minerals, so many things. Therefore, this is coming inside and coming is here. Then what happens? We start working, animation. I am standing, I am talking, I am having visual effect, I am hearing. This is effect. Then this is called what is phenomena, physiology, activity, income activity. Then income has to be taxed. How it will be taxed? You see, head to toes, lot of power is flowing, lot of knowledge is flowing. This has to be donated. You have to donate this to other creation of the cosmos, because the whole cosmos is one home. Within this cosmos, each and every creation is one family member. Our family member are having various shape and size. Energy kingdom is one family. Atomic kingdom, next family. Plant kingdom, third family. Animal kingdom, fourth family. Human kingdom. This is called various families. Then angels and devils all belong to our family. Therefore, we have to give some power to our families. This is called taxation. Then how to give it? Automatically it is happening. When you feel head to toes more and more, within each and every part, within each and every point of head to toes, power is going outside. That power is called creative principle. The creative principle which is entering inside and has manifested in this form head to toes, and all animation effect is here. What is animation effect? Means I am talking, I am listening, I am having visual phenomena, I am walking, I am working. This is all. And this is very nice. Now I am going to give this power to all creations of the cosmos. Then head to toes, each and every part is radiating creative principle. Through the nose, I am giving more powerful air. Air I take within, that air is now charged with the consciousness of advanced stage. Then when air goes outside, it becomes a high quality nutrition for plant. High quality nutrition for many things, and it works like antioxidant. Then we are giving sweat, we are giving urine, we are giving stool. This is all the donation of our all creative elements to all external family members. Not only this, there is a high class donation. We have to donate to stars, sun, solar system. Each and every point of the cosmos should get the power which is flowing within. Okay, it is going. And that power is known as Apan. That power is known as Apan. And the power which is flowing inside is known as Pran. This is the Pran and Apan, two important things we should know. Creative principle, creative elements and power and knowledge and everything which is flowing within each and every part is called Pran. And which is going outside is called Apan. Okay, let us think, if you are having income, yearly income, maybe $10,000. And out of 10,000 you are giving 8,000 tax. If you are just giving $8,000 tax, then how much you get? You get only $2,000. And this is very less amount of money. You cannot survive with this. Why so much taxation is happening? Why so much power within head to toe is going outside? Why quantity of apan is more than whatever is needed? Because we act, we react, we work the principle of duality, pain, pleasure. Pain, pleasure never exist. Within head to toes, what we feel, pain, pleasure, both represents immortal consciousness. Try to give one name, immortality. Never say pain and pleasure. If you feel pain, then you must accept this is a high intensity immortality. Intensive power of immortal, which we cannot tolerate. We say pain, discomfort, tiredness. Try to understand it. Moment feel head to toes, each and every part, whatever changes we feel within, accept it, presence of immortal consciousness. Then a huge quantity of apan, which is going outside and reducing the internal power, vitality, immunity, now it will not be there. Then outside only limited power will go. Then taxation will be scientific. How much taxation should be there? How much apan current should go outside? This is called the general symbol. I have to give some power to this. I have to give some power to this. I have to give to some power to there. Then what should be quantity? Try to think of 5. Divide complete power into 5. Then 3 plus 4 should be towards self. 1 should be outside. Then quantity of taxation should be 20% maximum. Provided if we have sufficient 80% amount of current which is essential to bring peace and joy within. But if internal power is less, you cannot give 20%. It will be less. Therefore, if condition is this, each and every part is having sufficient amount of creative principle, life force, life energy, peace and joy, then you can donate 20%. And if it is not, try to increase the richness within. Try to create more and more rich condition in each and every part of head to toes. When you are perfectly rich, then you can donate 20%. The first thing is that increase richness. Everything should be richer and richer, more and more rich. Then taxation 20% will be good in order to help all citizens, all family members of the cosmos. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Apply the same principle. Let each and every person of the nation should be rich, should have sufficient amount for living, for doing everything whatever that person want. Then 20% amount will be taxed. Otherwise, if you are taxing, it will be problem. Then how to increase economy of the nation? Moment you practice work is worship, and all works are equally great. There are so many varieties of work. All are equally great. Never compare. This is the low standard work, this is high standard work. I am sweeping and cleaning, or this is third class, very low standard. But I am teaching, this is higher standard. No. All teaching is only possible when there is sweeping and cleaning, when there is a cooking, when there is civil engineering, when there is a mechanical engineering, when electronic engineering. Therefore, all kinds of works are very important. Agriculture. Without taking food, how I will talk? Therefore, the moment you love this principle, all works are equally great, then economy of the nation will great. Then 20% taxation will be for making road, for doing everything for the nation. Otherwise, there will be hazard in the nation. There will be violence and fight everywhere. Therefore, income tax commissioner is not happy, and income tax officer is not happy. Who is paying income tax, they are not happy. Who is receiving income tax, they are not happy because it is unscientific. Then how to maintain this, how to bring this culture that all works are equally great. Whatever work you are doing, this is worship. How to prove it? That is the Kriyayoga principle and philosophy. Each and every work, if you do, that is worship. What is meaning of worship? Worship means puja. What is the meaning of worship and puja? If try to pay highest respect and honor to something, then what you will say? Oh, you are greater than me. Oh, you are God for me. Oh, many, many thanks. I am blessed to be with you. This is the simple idea. I am not giving detailed interpretation. Simple idea. Therefore, remember, what is the most important thing? Work is worship. You have to worship work. How I will worship the work? Because when you start working, you feel head to toes more and more. What is head to toes? Presence of God in visible form. Then I have to feel it more. How to feel it more? Keep on working more and more. Varieties of work you have to do. Cleaning and sweeping, as well as plantation, helping plants and animals, helping newborn baby and all. Keep on working, keep on working, keep on working. And whatever changes you feel within, accept it visible presence of God. This is called practicing work is worship. The moment work is worship is practice, you will find nation will be rich. Each and every person will be rich. When richness will increase, you can donate 20% for the cause of the nation development, making the roads, so many other things as you know it.